If you want to post a job, you have two different ways to do it. On the company dashboard, you can click Post New Applications, or you can go on the menu and click Create. And then you need to head over to Application. Once you get on this page, you will see all the information you need to submit to be able to post the job. When you reach this page, you have to fill a set of information to be able to submit the job. Here, you have to select job, add the job title, descriptions, add skills, and then sub-skills. And then you have the right to add a custom section like qualifications, benefits, and even more. You can also add a deadline to your job. You need to also add the location of your company. Mention whether the job is on-site, remote, or hybrid, the contract type, and then the years of experience. You can also add a salary range, but this is optional. And then you have to click Next. The next step is questionnaire. This is where you ask a set of questions that will help you discern if the candidate is the right fit. Questions could be about the experience, the skills, and tools that they know how to use. Once you're done with the questionnaire, you also have a way to add an assessment. This is a way to be able to see if the candidate can actually do the job when they get hired. This is where you assess a candidate's technical skill. You could ask them to submit a document, do a research, or a video. This step is optional. You can skip it if you want. Once you're done with the experience, you'll be able to preview your work before you submit the job. Go through everything, and you have the right to go back and edit before you submit. Once you're done, you can click Submit. And voila, you've got your job posted. Once the job has been posted, you'll be able to see it on the dashboard.